Oh no! My laser just finished engraving this tray that I'm working on for my husband, but it didn't engrave as dark as I wanted, and also it skipped a little bit because my focus wasn't exactly correct. So I now have two options. I could either spend 20 minutes on engraving this thing again, or I could do like this. Before I move or even touch my project, I go to LightBurn and I'll then mark my engraving, which is set to film. So I'll pick line instead, and I'll set it to my scored settings, which is 25 by 11 on my machine. I might even do 30. And let's hit start. My laser is now running over each and every single of my words and outlining them. So since it's scoring, it will not cut through, but it will enhance my engraving and make it look better. Look at the difference this just did. It took 7 minutes, and I forgot to mention that I of course didn't cut it twice. I only scored this lettering, and it's so much darker now. So here's the semi-finished result. I do have some things that will be added to the front and the sides of this tray, but look at that engraving. It's almost a shame that I'm going to stain it in a minute, but I am. So thank you for watching, and if you want to see this tray once it's completed and finished, go ahead and check out my channel, and I'll add a video soon